comes to pickups, here's one of the most popular body styles we sell here at Unique, especially in classics. 1949 Ford F1. This one's a beauty too, as you can see, two-tone red and black paint. Inline 6-cylinder underneath the hood that's paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. Let's take a look at this chrome bright work up front. I think it's something about the front ends on these that everybody loves. Something else very cool is the actual hood release is right here, incorporated into the hood itself. And we're going to check out underneath there, show you the engine, start it up, let you hear it run. We'll even take it down the road, show you how it drives out. But first, I want to let you know where to check out the still pictures. Those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. As you can see, paint shows well on this one, nice shine to it. It's black. You may find an imperfection here or there, but overall, this paint definitely shows good. This truck will turn heads at your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Take this one out, drive it, have some fun. Riding on steel wheels, of course, the Ford center caps, beauty rings, and wide white wall radials. Gonna ride out better than if it had bias on it, no doubt about that. Of course, running boards, Ford step plate. Interior also finished off as nice as the exterior of the truck. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at that. Like I said, start it up, let you hear it run. Take a look at the bed. Also finished off very nicely. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It's going to come with a cover also. Just pulled that out of the bed to set it to the side so we can see the condition of the wood in that bed. And once again, those still pictures, take your time looking through them. We'll have the underside, interior engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. 1949 Ford F1 pickup. If you're into these 40s Fords, which are quite popular, whether it be the early ones or later in the 40s, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, whether it be right off our showroom floor or online. As you can see, driver's side also, nice shine in that paint, reflection. Be proud to drive this one anywhere. All right, interior, door panels painted to match, two-tone with the red and black again. Black vinyl bench seat, seat belts intact. This truck could be a little earlier and seat belts came around, so a little more modern. Safety feature there, visors intact. Blower fan works in this one, heard that one going. All right. Blinker system installed, return signals. Now, as far as starting this, we're going to turn this key to the right here. This one's a little cold-blooded, I've noticed, but let's see how it goes. Push button start right here. Fired right up. You can see the gauge cluster. Alright, let's make sure we're in neutral. Again, 3-speed manual, inline 6 underneath the hood. We're going to take a peek at that just shortly. Not noticing any rips, tears, holes in the seats. Listen to that door close. Alright, how's it sound? I think it sounds like a 1949 F1 should sound. Very cool. All right, let's slip up to the front here. I'm going to pause this 1 second. Let me get this hood open, check out that engine bay, and then, like I said, stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this truck for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And here's the hood open. Let's see, what's the best way to see this? There it is. Inline 6. Now, this engine does have some specs. It was rebuilt in 2021, so just 3 years ago. And there are some specs. I'll take a picture of that, have in the still pictures also. As you can see, 12-volt system. Springs on the hood working good. Holding that hood up. We have a Ford plate here you'll be able to see in the still pictures, and also one from the glove box. Of course, single carb. There's that intake and exhaust manifold. Nice looking engine bay, smooth runner too. Stick around, we're going to see how it goes down the road. 1949 Ford F1 pickup. Good looking truck. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1949 Ford F1 pickup truck. The F-Series introduced in 1948. This is only the second year of the F-Series trucks. This is a 3-speed manual on the floor. Very smooth running, easy shifted truck. We have an aftermarket blinker attached to the column that does work. I don't see an indicator, but one trick when you're using old cars blinkers and old trucks blinkers is the battery gauge will twitch a little when the blinker's on as it's drawing current. That's normal, and it does that both directions on this truck. Our speedometer seems to be working as it should. The fuel gauge reading a half a tank. Temperature is right in the middle of the gauge. Oil pressure is showing 80, which is nice and high, which is a good thing. The battery is charging about half on the gauge as well. Comfortable vinyl bench seat in this truck. Blower motor works in this truck. Rides down the highway as you would expect. Nicely for a 1949 Ford truck. Brakes feel good and work well. We'll go into second gear for the roundabout. Corners also as it should. It don't lean too much in the corners. Really smooth running truck and looking great in the black and red combo that it has going on. Wood boards in the bed. Make sure to go to our website and check out all the pictures and all the details of this truck. And that's uniqueclassiccars.com.